Hello. Oh my god. That's cute. That's a good look for me. Oh my goodness. Hello guys. What's up? I'm back with another video for today on my camera. If you wanted to know, they were not invited to the party, but they showed up, so party crashers right there. Yeah, so I was like, what should I do for today's video? My friends are like, do like an everyday makeup look, and my everyday makeup look is like out of like this world kind of makeup. No, I'm just kidding. It's a little boring. It's not that boring, but like, you know, it's not great. But anyways, so I'm going to be doing an everyday makeup look for you guys on my new camera. I hope you guys enjoy. Probably not. Disgusting. But it might be enjoyable, so let's hope for the best. I think I might have 2 videos out this week just because I have time to make them, so on the flip side, you're gonna see me more than once this week. To the 10 people that watch my videos, thank you. Appreciate you. Anyways, so let's get started, shall we? I just realized that I forgot a camera. I mean, oh my god, I'm recording on a camera. I just realized that I forgot a mirror. So that's cute, that's good, that's fun, that's fresh, you know? That's fun. Oh my goodness. You can't see nothing. Absolutely nothing. I wonder if people ever watch my videos and they're like, this girl does not know what she's doing, because I watch my videos and go, this girl does not know what she's doing. But anyways, I went to grab a mirror. I grabbed my Jeffree Star Platinum Ice Palette because he got a mirror in there. Hello. So first of all, what I'm going to be taking is a fluffy brush on the end of this. My blushes, my brushes aren't clean because I'm a disgusting ass person. That's fun. Also, I don't have time to clean my brushes, so that's cute. Might get pink eye, who knows. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a transition shade, and I'm going to be using, well, not this. Bah! No, I'm just kidding. So we're going to be going into the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using, oh goodness gracious, Kissy as my transition shade. Also, my eyes are tinted pink. I wonder why. People are stupid these days. Don't know why your eyebrows, don't know why your eyebrows are tinted pink. Don't know why your eyeballs are tinted pink. It's because of Pressed Pigments Beach. I know that. Anyways, so I'm going to be taking that on this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be going into my crease. Wow, this is a great time for my zoom feature. Ew. Okay, that's a little too close. But we're going to be putting it in my crease, you know? And we are actually going to do that for both eyes. Wow. Amazing. What a surprise. I'm just gonna show both eyes because I don't know how to work my camera. Ha ha ha. Also, look at how disgusting my eyebrows look. Like, that's not cute. No one asked for that. Also, who is she, first of all? Because she wasn't invited. She wasn't invited. Not looking cute today. Not looking good, fun, and fresh, sister. Just kidding, James Charles, I'm not here to steal your brand. Anyways, now what I'm going to be taking is, I usually do like a normal kind of looking, like brown reddish kind of normal-esque eyeshadow look. So I'm going to be taking this color in the Afrique palette. It's called Cameroon, and I'm going to be taking a little brush like this. Oh my goodness, wow, that's cute. It just hit my oh my god, I forget what a tripod, as it finally focuses. And now I'm out of focus. Ha! Fun. I don't know how to use anything. So I'm going to be taking that, and I'm going to be taking the Cameroon color, and I'm going to be putting it right here. And I'm going to be kind of making like a point at the end of my eyeball. Yeah, that's cute. That's good, fun, and fresh. And I will do that for my next eyeball. So after I'm done that, my eyeballs look like this. Wow, amazing. So now I'm going to be taking the Mini Magic palette, also by Juvia's Place. Wow, what a surprise. Shocker. And I'm going to be taking a bigger fluffy brush. I realized I was zoomed in a little too much, so yeah. And we're going to be taking the shade Nana. It's this brown shade right here on this fluffy brush, and we're going to be blending out the colors we've done, and we're going to go right above it and blend it out like this. And I really wouldn't say this is necessarily an everyday look, but it's definitely not like a wow, beautiful kind of look, you know what I'm talking about? Like, I wouldn't go to the club with this on, even though I don't go to the club in general, because I don't party. I stay home and watch Netflix. Relatable AF. Yeah. But you're just gonna go over it and blend. And as you can see, it gives you like a nice, like, little brown kind of effect, I guess. But now we are going to be taking some darker shades. Oh yes, that's right, you heard, some darker shades. Thank you. And we are going to be deepening up the edge of our eye. I like to do that every time I do makeup. Why? I don't know. But I'm going to be taking this color. It's called Ada, from the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place. Wow, shocker. And I'm going to be deepening up my corner with that. You're just gonna deepen it up in there. I put it in the very side and then like kind of drag it into my crease. Like that, so it kind of deepens it up and it makes it look like you have like eyelids. If I mean, everybody has eyelids. But this makes it look like more defined, I guess. That's what you call it. I don't know. Should I be making makeup tutorials? Probably not. Do I know what I'm talking about? No. Do I think I know what I'm talking about? Yes. As I say, while my contour looks like shit. Hi, I'm Tiffany. I'm a beauty guru. I don't know what I'm doing, but follow my tutorials. Thank you. So after that, you are going to cut your crease. I'm not going to show myself cutting my crease because if I do, I'm going to mess it up. So you get the point. All you're going to do is put concealer on a flat brush. Hold on, I'm trying to find an example. A flat brush like this one. And you're going to go from the inner corner to about halfway. Yeah, so I'll see you after I cut my crease. Hi, just checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage. Ugh. Okay, I cut my crease, obviously. Wow, disgusting. So, I hate myself, thank you. If anybody ever wants to know why, this is why. My goal one day is to have someone make a compilation of me and it's like Tiffany hating herself for 10 minutes and that'll be when I've officially succeeded in life. So now what I'm going to be taking is I'm going to be taking this Morphe 35V palette. Sorry, it's a little dirty. And I'm going to be taking this pinkish peach shade and I'm going to be putting it where I just cut my crease. So yeah, I take my finger because that's the best way to apply a shimmer shade in my opinion. But I'm not a professional. Don't listen to me. And I'm just going to be putting it on top of where I cut my crease. Don't worry, it looks like trash right now, but it'll get better. I promise. Or do I? I don't know, you'll have to watch till the end of this video. Plot twist. But I'm just applying it with my finger. We're packing it on there so it looks semi-good. Honestly, even if your eyeshadow doesn't look good, if you have falsies, which I don't have, it makes everything better. So yours will probably look better than mine because you'll have falsies and I won't. So yeah, that's fun, good fun and fresh. So after I pack that on, I'm going to be taking a blending brush and I'm actually going to be dipping into a new color. Wow, so many colors, such a variety. And I'm going to be dipping in with this color in the Morphe 35V, I think that's what I said it is. And I'm just going to be blending everything out and blending everything together like a real good sister blend. So I'm just basically blending the shimmer in with the eyeshadow, going above it so it looks like this. Wow. Never realized how bad I was at makeup until you see it in 180 quality. Fun. Cute. And we're gonna do that we're gonna do the same thing for this eye. Because you gotta make them look the same, even though I kind of fail at everything I ever do. But you're still here, aren't you? I'm just kidding, everybody left after 5 seconds of watching this. Thank you. So basically, after you're done blending, what you're gonna do is underneath your eye, which I suck at. I never do eyeshadow underneath my eye unless it's like a really light shade. So for underneath my eye, I'm going to be using this, you can't even see it, this little orange color with this little tan color. And I'm going to be putting that underneath my eye. You just mix them together. I mix eyeshadows all the time because it makes colors that are pretty. I'm a scientist. Thank you. Tiffany, the science queen. Just kidding, Christine, I'm not coming for your brand. I'm not coming for anyone's brand. Thank you. I'm my own special person. So you're going to be taking a really small brush. I've used this brush like 5 times this video. Even though I have a whole bunch of brushes now because I got them all for Christmas. But I literally didn't have any brushes before, so cute. So let me just zoom in for this one part because, oof, you can see my gross under eyes. Cute. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking it and I'm going to be dragging it from the inner corner into like halfway. I definitely don't go the whole way. And you're kind of just connecting it on the side. Oh my god, did you hear my dad yell? That was cute. And I'm going to be doing it for the same eye, and then I'm going to clean it up with some concealer underneath because as you can see there's a whole bunch of fallout and that won't look good. Thank you. Alright, so after I cleaned it up, it looks like this. Wow, cute. Fashionable. Now, we're gonna do some eyeliner because I never do eye looks without eyeliner. We're gonna zoom out for this part because it'll look better when I zoom out. So, I'm sorry if you can't see me. I have a handheld mirror and I keep moving my tripod. My god. My god, Becky. Stop it. Becky's my editor if you didn't know. No, I'm just kidding. I am my own editor. Please don't hate and say that I don't have an editor because I know I don't. I know I'm not rich. Thank you. So I'm just gonna do basic winged eyeliner. Yeah, let's see how that goes. Wow, that's good fun and fresh that someone's breaking into someone's car right now while I'm doing a video. That's rude, thank you. But basically, I just draw a line up and then draw a line back down and then fill it in. Like, hello, that wing is done. Cute, right? Sorry, I can't talk while I'm doing a wing or I will 100% mess up and it'll look bad. Hi, my name's Tiffany. I'm not a professional. The goal is to get them to generally look the same, but that's hard, so say hello to my distant cousin of wings. This eye is always harder, and I don't know why, because I'm left-handed. I guess it's because it's on the same side of my face, but it's like always harder and always looks like trash, so that's cute. Also, if you want like a good cheap like liquid eyeliner, e.l.f. liner is really good. And if someone tells you otherwise, yes, it's not waterproof, but really good. If you just got some like Urban Decay setting spray, you'll be good, you know? So yeah, and it's very cheap. It's like, I think it's like $3 or $4, one of those, and it works for me. So yeah. Now we're just gonna, even though I already have mascara on, put some more on because I got eyeshadow on it. So yeah, it might look clumpy. Who cares? Not me. And I'm using, yeah, I'm using Voluminous Lash Paradise. Who's it by? I don't know. I think it's L'Oreal. We'll go with that. But I'm just going to apply some on my lashes and my lower lashes and hope for the best. All right. My nephew in the background though. So this is the final product. Oh my goodness. Hello. This is the final product. Not crazy good, but not bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. There will be another video probably sometime this week, so get prepared for that. Yeah, tell your friends about me if you want. I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.